In this video, I'm going to quickly show you how to use the Position Selected Shapes group in the Design tab of the Timesavers add-in. You can choose to either position shapes based on the position of another shape, or you can choose to position shapes based on the slide. So I'm going to start off by showing you these options over here. So over here, whichever shape you select first will be your reference shape. So I'm going to select my green shape first, that's going to be my reference shape. Then all the other shapes that I select will be positioned based on the green shape. So if I click on this one, then they will all be aligned to the left of the green shape, like that. Or if I click on this one, they'll all be aligned to the top of the green shape. Or here they'll all be aligned to the right of the green shape, or to the bottom of the green shape. Then here I can align them all to the center of the green shape, or I can align them all to the middle of the green shape. Or if I click on this one, they'll be aligned to the center and the middle of the green shape. So they'll all be stacked exactly on top of each other. Okay, so that's when I'm aligning things to, or shapes to, another shape. I also have the option of aligning them to the slide. So then it doesn't matter, there's no reference shape because we're aligning it to the slide now. I can choose to work separately or together as a unit. So first of all, the separate option, if I click on this, every single one of the shapes that I've selected will be aligned to the left of the slide, or I can align them to the center of the slide, or I can align them to the right of the slide, or I can align them to the top, or to the middle, or the bottom of the slide, or I can align them all exactly in the middle of the slide. Okay. Then I can also work with them together as a unit. Now, if I choose this option, then this will be moved as a group so that it is aligned to the left of the slide, or to the top of the slide, or to the center of the slide, or to the middle of the slide, or to the bottom of the slide. Or if I click on this one, it's going to align it to the middle center, right in the middle of that slide, like that, together as a unit. And that's how you use the Position Selected Shapes group in the Design tab of the Timesavers add-in. I hope you have a fantastic day. Thank you. Goodbye.